If you are someone who feels like you're the black sheep of the family, then this video is for you. I want to invite you to interrupt that pattern, because everything that we experience in life is a manifestation of our inner world, of our inner thoughts, our inner beliefs, our inner emotions that are created as a result of those thoughts and beliefs. And so if you feel that you are the black sheep, I want you to reframe that thought, that phrase. And I want you to know the truth of the matter is you're actually the truth seer. You are the one that sees the truth beyond the masks that were presented to you in your childhood, maybe even now, beyond the facades, what they wanted you to believe was true. And you saw through all that. And so in order to protect those adults or those figures in your childhood who made you feel like the black sheep, in order to protect themselves, they labeled you as different or made you feel that you were different in some way, an outsider, maybe even an outcast. They made you feel that you had to carry this label of being the black sheep. But you now have the permission to see yourself as the truth seer. And you get to decide whatever you want to do with that information, whatever boundaries you want to set with that information. But seeing yourself as that is an empowering thought, an empowering label, an empowering belief to then go ahead and be projected out into your life experience. So I hope that you can take that little reframe and use it in whatever way you need to empower yourself and to share it with anyone that you feel needs to hear this little message today. And I will see you soon.